The SuperMeteor Motorcycle 2026 has arrived as one of the most anticipated cruisers of its class, blending timeless styling with modern engineering to create a package that appeals to both seasoned riders and new enthusiasts. The motorcycle embodies the spirit of long-distance touring while also delivering on the expectations of comfort, performance, and road presence. For those who have been waiting for a true cruiser experience with updated features, refined mechanics, and futuristic touches, the SuperMeteor 2026 stands as a compelling choice. Its design and build reflect a perfect balance of tradition and innovation, offering a machine that honors classic cruiser DNA while being fully prepared for the demands of today's motorcycling world. From the very first glance, the SuperMeteor Motorcycle 2026 impresses with its imposing stance and muscular lines. The low-slung body, wide handlebars, sculpted tank, and stretched-out design emphasize its cruiser identity. The bike continues to offer premium finishes and attention to detail with chrome accents, metallic paint options, and LED lighting elements that give it a bold yet sophisticated character. The seat is designed for maximum comfort with generous padding and ergonomic shaping, making it suitable for long-distance rides. The riding posture is relaxed with forward-set foot pegs and swept-back handlebars that place the rider in a commanding yet comfortable position, perfect for hours of effortless cruising on highways or city streets. The 2026 model is powered by a refined engine that has been tuned for smooth torque delivery and reliable performance. This engine character ensures effortless acceleration at low and mid ranges, which is essential for the cruiser experience. Riders will appreciate the consistent pull of torque that allows for easy overtaking and relaxed highway cruising without the need for constant gear changes. The engine not only provides power but has also been engineered for better fuel efficiency and reduced vibrations, making it a versatile machine for both city commuting and long tours. The distinctive exhaust note adds to the overall charm, giving the SuperMeteor its signature cruiser rumble that riders expect from a bike of this category. Technology plays a central role in the SuperMeteor Motorcycle 2026. It comes equipped with modern features that enhance convenience, safety, and connectivity. The fully digital instrument cluster offers clear and easy-to-read information including speed, gear position, trip data, fuel efficiency, and more. Advanced navigation support, smartphone connectivity, and turn-by-turn directions are available, helping riders stay connected without distractions. The lighting system uses all LED units, providing better visibility at night and improved durability compared to traditional bulbs. Safety is also enhanced with features like dual-channel ABS, traction control, and refined braking systems that ensure confidence in all riding conditions. The chassis and suspension setup of the SuperMeteor 2026 has been designed to deliver stability and comfort. The low center of gravity adds to the planted feel on highways, while the suspension absorbs bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively. Riders can expect a smooth ride even on longer journeys thanks to the advanced suspension tuning. The motorcycle's weight distribution has been optimized to make it manageable at lower speeds while retaining solid stability when cruising at higher speeds. Wide tires with cruiser-specific tread patterns offer excellent grip and contribute to the bike's confident road manners. Customization options remain a highlight of the SuperMeteor range. The 2026 model allows riders to personalize their motorcycles with a wide range of accessories, including touring windscreens, crash guards, luggage options, backrests, and handlebar variations. This ability to tailor the bike to one's own style and practical needs adds immense value for riders who plan to use the SuperMeteor not just as a daily machine but as a touring companion. The availability of genuine accessories ensures compatibility, quality, and a seamless fit with the motorcycle's design. One of the strongest aspects of the SuperMeteor Motorcycle 2026 is its focus on rider comfort. Long-distance rides can be tiring, but the bike has been designed to minimize fatigue. The seat cushioning is plush, the ergonomics support a natural posture, and the suspension takes away much of the road shock. Even for the pillion, the comfort level is high with sufficient seat space and supportive backrest options. These elements make the motorcycle suitable for touring couples or friends who want to share the joy of long rides together. The overall performance of the SuperMeteor is not just limited to engine power but also includes its road handling and practicality. The motorcycle is equally at home in urban settings where its commanding presence turns heads, and on open highways where it truly shines as a cruiser. The bike's throttle response is smooth and predictable, ensuring a confidence-inspiring experience for riders of varying skill levels. The gearbox is refined and ensures seamless shifts, further enhancing the overall ride quality. Fuel efficiency is balanced considering the motorcycle's size and performance orientation, making it a practical choice for riders who want both power and economy. Build quality and durability have always been significant expectations in this segment, and the SuperMeteor 2026 delivers on those fronts. Premium materials, sturdy components, and attention to engineering details ensure that the motorcycle is built to withstand long-term use under varied riding conditions. Corrosion resistance, weather durability, and reliable mechanicals all contribute to making it a dependable motorcycle for years to come. Riders investing in the SuperMeteor can expect not only a stylish machine but also a trustworthy companion. In terms of design evolution, the SuperMeteor 2026 manages to retain its iconic cruiser silhouette while introducing enough changes to keep it fresh and modern. The use of sculpted body panels, premium paint schemes, and chrome detailing create an aesthetic appeal that sets it apart in its category. The blend of retro charm with modern sophistication ensures that the motorcycle appeals to a wide demographic, from younger enthusiasts who want something stylish and unique to experienced riders who appreciate traditional cruiser values. The SuperMeteor also places emphasis on environmental responsibility with improved emission compliance and engine efficiency. The 2026 model adheres to the latest emission norms while ensuring no compromise on performance or rider experience. This balance between eco-friendliness and power is crucial in today's motorcycling world, and the SuperMeteor achieves it with finesse. Touring capability is further enhanced with the motorcycle's fuel tank capacity, allowing riders to cover longer distances between refueling stops. Combined with the bike's comfort and reliability, this makes it an excellent option for adventure seekers who want to explore highways and open roads without frequent interruptions. The addition of touring accessories such as saddlebags and luggage racks further cements its position as a long-distance cruiser. The SuperMeteor Motorcycle 2026 also offers excellent value for money in its category. With a competitive pricing strategy, it brings a host of premium features, advanced technology, and an authentic cruiser experience within reach for many enthusiasts. The ownership experience is made better by widespread service networks, affordable maintenance, and easy availability of parts and accessories. For riders looking for a motorcycle that combines prestige, practicality, and performance, the SuperMeteor stands out as a strong contender. Another key highlight is the motorcycle's rider assistance systems that ensure safety and ease of use. Features like slipper clutch, ride modes, traction control, and advanced braking systems contribute to overall confidence. These systems ensure that even on slippery surfaces or challenging roads, the rider remains in control, reducing risks and enhancing the riding experience. The SuperMeteor 2026 is more than just a motorcycle. It is a statement of lifestyle and passion for riding. For many, owning a cruiser represents freedom, adventure, and individuality, and this motorcycle encapsulates all of these ideals. Its blend of power, comfort, technology, and aesthetics ensures that it remains a dream machine for those who love the open road. Whether it is used for daily commutes, weekend getaways, or cross-country tours, the SuperMeteor 2026 delivers a consistent and enjoyable experience. In conclusion, the SuperMeteor Motorcycle 2026 successfully raises the bar for modern cruisers. With its commanding design, reliable performance, rider-friendly technology, and touring comfort, it stands as one of the best offerings in its category. It not only lives up to the heritage of the cruiser tradition but also pushes it forward with innovations and improvements. For riders seeking a balance of classic style and modern functionality, the SuperMeteor 2026 is an ideal choice. It is a motorcycle that promises to turn every ride into a memorable journey while offering durability and dependability for years to come. This machine is not just about reaching destinations but about enjoying every moment on the road, making it a true companion for the passionate motorcyclist.